Hello everyone, as usual it's me Pavlo, and today's dose of Ukrainian accent will come with one of the most controversial topics in the whole portable audio world. We'll be talking about headphones cables today. I already expressed my opinion on cables in many reviews before, but one of my main points is that ultimate goal of all these cables is to give you more convenience, to perfectly fit into your usage scenarios and help you to enjoy this hobby even more. And today we'll be talking about the most convenient and most versatile cables I have ever seen and experienced. We'll be talking about the Dekoni Ensemble cables. They use their own developed modular cable system, so you can combine two parts of the cable. Lower part with different connectors that goes to your source, and top part with different connectors going to the headphones. And combining these two parts, you can get absolutely any combination of connectors on both ends. It sounds really comfortable and really useful, so let's have a closer look. Initially, Dekoni offered two types of cables in their modular cable system. Blue nylon was considered as a bit more basic offering, and the silver-plated copper was a slightly premium version. But later they've decided to add a much more premium version. Here it goes. It's PCU HD copper and pure copper ultra high something. I don't remember last word, and it's definitely not definition. It's more expensive, but you can even see on the box and slightly different design. Currently they are running a sale on their website, so these two types of cables go for the same price. They cost $40 per piece. $40 bottom part, $40 top part, and $80 for a set. If you go to the Dekoni website, you can browse by all available parts, tops and bottoms, or you can go through Wizard, where you select type of cable, then necessary connector on top, on bottom, and you're getting full set offered to you. And what I really like about all this modular cable system is absolute versatility. Just name the type of headphones connector and amplifier or player connector, and you'll get it. They're not all available in stock, unfortunately, but they're restocking it periodically, so you can get like virtually any combination, like 4-pin XLR, 3.5mm balanced connectors, and on the headphone side you can get regular 3.5mm 3-pin XLR and more exotic options like limo connectors for the Sennheisers, and Focals, if I remember right, uses limo connectors, 2-pin Sennheiser connectors, and any other option. So absolute versatility, just you can get any combination you'd like. I'm not sure will they be running sale when I will release this video, or it will be over, but currently for the $40 a piece it's a really good offer. So here is a basic workhorse, blue nylon. It's nice, reliable, soft, and pretty ergonomic. Then silver plated, typical what we see in the modern high-end cables, and premium PCU HD version with more wires and with slightly different color schema. But let's have a closer look. Let's start with blue nylon, and I've got a bit uncommon nowadays type of top connector. It's a single 3-pin XLR. If I remember correctly, this type of connection was used in AKG headphones. And also keep in mind that it's just a 3-pin connection, so it's created for the non-balanced headphones. And it's not a smart idea to connect it with balanced cable like I will do now. But I'm not connecting it to any player or amplifier, so for demo purpose it's okay. But better to avoid this in real life, because it will short-circuit connections, and this can be harmful for your source. So keep in mind that to use with balanced bottom parts, you will need that type of top part that goes separately to the left and right cap, or that is one that is created for the balanced connection. In terms of connecting top to bottom, Dekoni really created a smart connection. It's absolutely natural, easy, and at the same time reliable. You can see 3 bumps here and 3 small dents here, and also guiding lock. You need to match this notch and groove here. So you just connect it with slight angle, and this 4-pin 2.5mm connector just connects this socket inside. It goes this way, and then you just rotate it, and it will push these bumps into that small notches, and it's connected in a really reliable way, both in terms of electrical and mechanical connection. And it holds really well, and if you need to disconnect it, just twist backwards and pull it. So probably one of the best, simplest locking mechanisms I've seen. Really nice and pretty satisfying. Of course, don't do it super often, but still I think it will be pretty reliable. In terms of sound, I've tried this cable with my Sandy P2 planar magnetic headphones. I've did a lot of blind tests. Of course, I have other top parts made by Dekoni with this blue nylon. So I used it with Sandy P2, and I did blind tests. And this cable for Sandy actually adds more weight on bass and the mid frequencies, almost not changing treble, and also pushes male vocal a bit forward and makes stage a bit narrower. But that difference are not big, of course. Then goes the silver-plated copper version, so let's pull it out, and it's the bottom part with 4-pin XLR. Great solution for some high-end amplifiers and DAC amp combos. Nice, really good connector, and everything looks great. You can see cable is pretty bright, nicely braided, so everything we can wish. And I have dual 3-pin XLR version I'm actively using with my Meze Empyrean, and here it goes. So medium connector is the same, you just twist and click and it's ready to go. Also tried this type of cable with this Sandy P2, and it makes stage wider, a bit less deep, so reduce depth a little bit, but also slightly improved treble layering. Treble became a bit more mature. Maybe with some other headphones outcome will be different, but that's what I've got with Sandy. And of course with Meze I also tried it, but Meze premium cables are of the higher segment, so they provide slightly more clarity and durability, but price is noticeably higher too. For $80 this cable is great, I can say, and especially taking into account that versatility we've got here. And last premium version, unfortunately I can only show you a bottom part here because I don't have any PCU HD top cable in my set, so here it is. Looks really nice, super flexible, really looks great. Nice reliable connector, and same connection system here. I've tried, of course, it with different top parts made of different cables, but here works bottleneck principle, because like more impacting cable just takes its place. So I assume that this cable is really transparent, because when I try it with this blue version, I've got the results of the blue version, And with this silver-plated copper version, I've got the same results as I used pure silver-plated copper. So I will try to get something from Dekoni with of the PCU HD cable, some top part matching for this cable, to use it with some headphones I own. But so far I have really high expectations for this cable, while I was not able to try it, but it's really great. So if you're going for this cable, just get both parts made of this material. I'm pretty sure many of you already have one question in mind: what going to happen if we combine these two types of cables, like silver-plated bottom with blue jacket top, or vice versa? And the result here was a bit unpredictable. In my test with Sandy P2, actually I've got the same result as I've got with this pure silver-plated cable. It impacted treble, and it made stage slightly wider and a bit shallower in depth. And yes, I did blind tests for all these cables because it's the only way to do tests of the cables. And of course, difference is not huge, it's just small. But you can mix and match these cables freely, you getting the result of these cables. At least with headphones I've tried and test. So to summarize everything, really great, probably the best and most versatile modular cable system on the market, and to me it makes a lot of sense. If you're going for some aftermarket cable, pay attention for this Dekoni offers, because it provides you the main thing that good cable should provide: comfort and versatility. And that's the main goal of headphones cable, in my opinion. Thank you for listening, thank you for your attention, and of course have a great day.